So if you've ever visited France, then you've most likely seen these meringue cookies at the windows of patisserie shops. These cookies are crunchy on the outside and have a marshmallowy interior. But no matter how delicious these cute pillow puffs are, they're also dangerously sweet. So yeah, tread with caution and try not to shovel them all in your mouth in one go. Now with all that being said, let's get into the kitchen and let's meringue. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to begin by separating the whites and yolks from 2 whole eggs. Now here's one method of doing so, where I transfer the yolk between each halved eggshell until all I have left is the yolk. An easier method though is to simply crack the egg and place it in the palm of your hand while letting the egg white seep through the space between your fingers. Next, we're going to add a few drops of lemon juice to our egg whites, which will help stabilize our meringue. Begin mixing with an electric mixer until it foams. Once it's foamed, begin by gradually adding 100 grams of sugar. Now it's really important to add your sugar gradually as it helps the egg white proteins to stabilize and hold their beautiful shape. Now once you've achieved a meringue that's glossy and has absorbed all of the sugar, add half a teaspoon of vanilla and mix to combine. Now to test our meringue, I'm going to flip the bowl upside down, and if it has stiff peaks, it should completely stay intact. Now we're going to make our chocolate topping. In a saucepan, add 1/4 of a cup of water, turn the heat to medium-low and add a fitted bowl over top. Add equal amounts of milk chocolate and dark chocolate, and with a rubber spatula, melt until silky smooth. Next, add dollops of your meringue onto a baking sheet lined with seal mat or parchment paper. And make sure to give them a nice swirl to shape them like so. Then add your melted chocolate over top. Now we're going to bake these at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. And here's our meringue cookies. We'll place these over a wire rack to cool completely for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Now as you can see, they have a nice snap to them, but are really fluffy and gooey on the inside. Definitely give these a try next time you have a sweet tooth, and as always, thanks for watching.